Every time I catch a glimpse of myself in the mirror, I can't help but feel that familiar frustration, that stubborn belly fat, the kind that seems to cling on for dear life, mocking my every effort. It feels like a battle I'm losing, but I refuse to give in. I've tried countless diets, each one promising miraculous results, only to end up right back where I started. But what if I told you there's a way to tackle this? Science has our back, offering real, proven methods that can transform this struggle into success. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, strutting through life with confidence instead of self-doubt. It's not about gimmicks or quick fixes. It's about understanding our bodies and making smart choices. So, let's dive into these 7 tips that could change everything for you. Trust me, the last one is a game changer you won't want to miss. All right, let's dive into the first tip, which is crucial if you want to see real progress. Tip number 1, create a calorie deficit. This is the golden rule for fat loss. Simply put, you need to burn more calories than you consume. It's that simple. Start by tracking what you eat and make small adjustments. Cutting out sugary drinks or snacking less can make a huge difference. You'll be amazed at how quickly those little changes add up. Now, moving on to tip 2, increase your protein intake. Protein is not only great for building muscle, but also helps keep you full longer, preventing those midday cravings that can derail your progress. Try to include a source of protein with every meal, whether it's chicken, beans, or plant-based options. By focusing on these 2 tips, you'll set a solid foundation for your health journey and start seeing results in no time. Incorporate strength training into your routine. This isn't just about lifting heavy weights. It's about building muscle, which in turn revs up your metabolism. Imagine your body as a furnace, burning more calories even when you're lounging on the couch. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups if you're new to it. They're effective, accessible, and can be done anywhere. If you're feeling more confident, grab some dumbbells and challenge yourself. Now, let's talk about hydration. It might seem trivial, but drinking plenty of water is crucial for fat loss. Staying hydrated does wonders. It helps curb those annoying hunger pangs, boosts your metabolism, and keeps everything running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 cups a day. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. So, lift those weights and fill that water bottle. Your body will thank you. Tip 5, get enough sleep. Sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. When you skimp on those precious hours, you're not just robbing yourself of rest, you're sabotaging your body's ability to burn fat. Hormones go haywire, hunger pangs kick in, and suddenly, that slice of cake looks like the only solution to your fatigue. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. It's a simple investment in your health that pays off in ways you can't even imagine. Tip 6. Add HIIT workouts to your routine. High-intensity interval training is a game changer. Picture this: 20 minutes of pure intensity, pushing your limits and feeling that burn. It's not about spending hours at the gym, it's about maximizing every second you do spend there. You'll be astonished at how much fat you can incinerate in such a short time. Embrace the challenge and watch your body transform. Last tip, number 7, manage stress. It's astonishing how chronic stress can sabotage our efforts, leading to overeating and that stubborn belly fat. When life throws its challenges, we often turn to food for comfort, but this only exacerbates the issue. Instead, let's embrace relaxation techniques. Picture yourself practicing yoga, feeling the tension melt away with every breath. Or imagine taking a peaceful walk, letting nature soothe your mind. These moments of mindfulness aren't just indulgences, they're essential for your well-being. And now, as we wrap up, remember these 7 science-backed tips to lose belly fat fast. Consistency is key. Start small, and as you incorporate these changes, watch how they transform not just your body, but your entire health. If you found these insights valuable, subscribe for more health tips, give a thumbs up, and share your journey in the comments. Together, let's conquer those fat loss goals.